Hello student, today I teach you nature of the roots of quadratic equation. Nature of the roots. Roots of quadratic equation. For finding the nature of the quadratic equation, we first find the discriminant. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. Now first we find the discriminant. Discriminant capital D is equal to b square minus 4ac. There are three cases for discriminant. Case 1. If D is greater than 0, it means when D is positive, then roots are real and unequal. Case 2. If the value of D is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. Case 3 is when D is less than 0, it means the value of D comes negative, then real roots not possible. Then real roots not possible. So for finding the nature of the roots in the quadratic equation, first we find the discriminant, capital D. Capital D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Then we check the value of D. If D is greater than 0, it means D is positive. Then we find nature of the roots are real, but they are not equal. Both are different roots. In the case 2, if D is equal to 0, then the roots are real, but they are also equal. Both the value of x is same. Case 3, when D is less than 0, then roots are not real. We can't find the root of the quadratic equation. For example, now we check some nature. Example number 1. Let the equation x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now we compare and find the value of a, b and c. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 6. Now find the value of d. First find the value of d. So d is equal to b square minus 4a and c. From the equation, put the value of a, b and c. So b is equal to minus 5. So minus 5 का square 4 multiplied by a is equal to 1. C multiplied by c is 6. square of negative is become positive, so 5 square is 25, sign become positive, and multiply these numbers. 6 4 the 24. Subtract these two numbers, it is equal to 1. D is equal to 1, it means it is positive. Therefore, roots of this equation is real and unequal. If we find the solution of this equation, then the value of x is always real, but they are different, both are different. Hence we prove that when d is positive, roots are real but not equal. Now we take some other example. Four x square plus 25 or 20x. 4x square minus 20x plus 25. Now the value of a is given 4, b is given minus 20, and c is given 25. First find the value of d. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac. b is minus 20 का square, 4 into a, 4, the value of c is given 25. Minus 20 का स्क्वायर हो गया 400. It is also 400. The value of d is equal to 0. 0 means root of this equation is real but both are equal. Roots are real but both are equal. Now we check the roots, it is also equal or not. This is the square of 2x minus 20x plus 5 square. This is the identity 2x minus 5 whole square. Therefore value of 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5 upon 2. Both the value of x is 5 by 2.